Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting immediately. First, make sure the accessory is powered and in pairing mode so the Chromebook can see it. Open the quick settings by clicking the clock in the shelf, then toggle Bluetooth on. Once done, keep the accessory close within a few feet to avoid interference. Make sure Wi-Fi is on if the accessory needs internet for setup. Otherwise, Wi-Fi won't block Bluetooth. This gets you to the visible state fast and explains why proximity and power matter. Now go into Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and open Bluetooth. You'll see a list of nearby devices. Click the accessory name to start pairing. If a code appears, compare digits and accept to ensure a secure match. Make sure to grant permissions the accessory requests, such as audio or contact access, because that controls what features will work. If pairing stalls, toggle Bluetooth off and on once to force a fresh scan. This explains how and why each permission matters for full functionality. Complete setup by checking sound settings and selecting the new device as the default output or input so audio routes correctly. Test playback and microphone. If audio is missing, disconnect and reconnect to reload profiles because that resolves mismatched codecs. If things still fail, restart the Chromebook and remove the device from Bluetooth, then repair. This clears pairing records. One key tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, check for firmware updates on the accessory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.